Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video, the modal verbs. Let's start. So in the first exercise, it said complete with the correct modal verb. Let's see first sentence. I wasn't able to climb when I was 1 year old. Why wasn't able? Okay, first we have to say no, obviously, because you are a baby when you are 1 year old. And why the verb to be able to? Because it's a skill. Climb is a skill, so we have to use to be able to. And the verb will be in the past because we are referring to the past here. Second sentence. Have you seen Tom? He must be at work now. Why must? Because here this is a prediction. We believe that Tom is at work now, so we have to say must. 3. It smells very bad here. I can smell it. So smell is a feeling. So with feelings we have to say can. 4. You should go to the doctor. Your temperature is increasing. So here what do we have? A recommendation. Someone is giving us an advice, a recommendation. So we have to use should. 5. She must call the boss. He needs to finish some work. So here, what do we have? This is an obligation. He needs to finish some work, the boss. So we have to use must because the work is compulsory. 6. Here we have two possibilities, could or can. So for example, we can say, could I open the window, please? Or can I open the window, please? Why could or can? Well, first, we have to use can because we are asking for a permission. And could or can will be depending on the person. If we know that person, or if that person is our friend or a member of our family, then we can use can. Could will be more for a professor or someone we really don't know. 7. We would like to go to the concert tonight, Mom. So here, what do we have? A desire. We have like to, so here we have to use would. Second exercise, the same, complete with the correct modal verb. Let's see first one. Here we have three possibilities. It may snow tomorrow, it might snow tomorrow, or it could snow tomorrow. Look at those clouds. So here, what do we have? A possibility. Second, you must come to the exam. If not, you won't pass this course. So here, what do we have? An obligation. To pass this course is compulsory. So here we have to use must because it's compulsory to go to the exam to pass this course. Next, he could cook when he was healthy, but now he's older and he cannot stand up for a long time. So here we are referring to an elderly person. And in the past, he had that ability to stand up, but he cannot do that anymore. So we have to say could, can in the past. 4. Sarah can play basketball really good. So here, what do we have? An ability. To play basketball is an ability. And it has to be in the present because we don't have anything referring to the past or future. So present. 5. Be careful, you mustn't or shouldn't touch the lamppost. We can use must if, for example, there is a sign alert. But if someone gives us an advice, then it would be better shouldn't. Both of them will be correct depending on the situation. 6. He would like to visit New York one day. So what do we have here? A desire, like to. So he would like to. 7. It may or might rain tomorrow, so the weather is changing. What do we have here? Forecast, prediction, so may or might. And 8. Shall or should we invite Claudia and Tom to the party? Both of them are correct. Shall is more for suggestions and preferences, and should for recommendations. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuándo subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.